Welcome to all the 9 and 10 class students. আমাদের আজকের ক্লাস টিচার্স আইডেন্টিফাই মির্জা এমডি গোলাম মোস্তফা, অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট টিচার, ভিক্টোর হাই স্কুল, সিরাজগঞ্জ। Lessons introduction, class 10 and 9, English first paper, unit 12, roots. Lesson 1, the title, My Roots. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures and the caption below. How do you feel looking at the photo? What do you think people take such risks to go home to celebrate Eid? This is dangerous condition, this picture. Today's lessons by roots. Learning outcomes. The students will be able to participate in conversation, exchange personal information, present information in a chart. Read the following text. Eid is the main religious festival of the Muslims in Bangladesh. Eid means happiness. Everyone wants to share this happiness with near and dear ones. So, most of the people who are living outside their homes for different reasons have a strong desire to get back home during the Eid vacation. As a result, there is a mad rush to board buses, trains or launches for going home. This often causes transport accidents that take away many lives. However, this cannot stop people from going home to meet their family, in-laws or friends. What makes people rush for their homes in spite of serious hazards? This is nothing but people's desire to return to the roots. Do human beings have roots like the trees? The answer is yes, but unlike the roots of the trees, they are invisible. They lie in your minds. It's these roots that make a bond between us and family. Members, in-laws, friends, neighbors, or even between us and the land where we are born and grew up. In that sense, our families, our land of birth, relatives, or culture, traditions, or surrounding are our roots. And however we stay, we feel the power of our roots. It's our roots that develop our identity, making us what we are. When we lose that bond, we become rootless. Human beings who do not have any roots are a non-entity. In other words, they do not have an identity. They don't know where they are from and or where they are heading to. This often makes them feel empty and lost. Now, here, words presentation. Words, roots, that is means synonym words. Origin, meaning the part of the plant in the earth, your relation to a place because you were born there or your family used to live there. Other words, festival, celebration, event. Human beings have the roots, but unlike the roots of trees, like the trees. And festival, another word, a day or period of celebration. These roots and festival. Rush, hurry, haste. Bhir, hirik, a sudden or means of conveying people of goods. Sorry, here word goods, malpatru. Here words mistake, o, right, from place to place. Hazard, danger, risk, danger or risk, where the position of vehicles and risks. In spite of serious hazards, they are trying to board the trains. Invisible, they are Bangla, adrishya, unseen, unable to be seen. This is the position. The man's face is invisible, rootless. That means Bangla, Mulhin, Asrayhin. This is the picture. Not having roots. The condition of the rootless people are unbearable. Transport. Synonym, vehicle, a system or means of conveying people or goods from place to place. Desire, wish, a strong feeling of wanting to have something. Now, this bubbles picture. Read the text in the space bubbles, make question based on the bubbles, and then compare them in pairs. This is question. This is question. Eid is the main religious festival of the Muslims in Bangladesh. What is the main religious festival of the Muslim in Bangladesh? This is the question and answer. It means happiness. What does it mean? Another, in that sense, our families, our land of birth, relatives, our culture, traditions, our surrounding are our roots. Question, what are our roots? It's our root that develop our identity, making us what we are. What do our roots that develop our identity, making us what we are? Pair. Now compare them with those of your classmates. This is bubbles description. Another, great. Similar, this sentence is the makes our roots the problems of a rootless person. This is the difference. Fill in the grid with appropriate information from the text above. That makes our roots. Family bondage. Number 2, love to friends. 3, love to in-laws. 4, love to neighbors. Dignity with the land where we were born and grew up. This is another description, the problems of the rootless person. Not entry. Family bondage, not entry. Devoid of values. Love to friend, devoid of values. Devoid of humanity. Love to in-laws, devoid of humanity. Devoid of social responsibility, love to neighbors. Feeling of emptiness, dignity with the land where we are born and grew up, feeling of emptiness. Here, that makes our roots আমাদের কি করে? The problems of a rootless person. আর মূলহীন মানুষের সমস্যা। পেয়ার ওয়ার্ক, works in pairs, talk about this question. Do you have any root other than the place where you are living now? If yes, where is it and who live there? If not, why not? How do you label your roots? Number 3, do you feel any attraction for your root? Any pull in your heart? How do you nourish your roots? 5, what, according to you, are the reasons why people become rootless? It is pair work. Now this pair work, 2 students and pair work, or 3 students at pair work. Group work. Make a classroom survey and present in a chart the types of roots your classmates have. Answer. There are 55 students in our class. They are from different roots. We have made a classroom survey and found out the roots of all the students of our class. Now, the types of our roots of our classmates are presented in a chart below. Survey report. Total students: city, small town, semi-urban, village, rural village. 52, 20, 10, 5, 15, 5. Now draw a chart in your English for today. Now this few minutes, this one. Now this abolition. Read the text and fill in the H gap with the suitable word based on the information of the text. This is text English for today. It means happiness, and this it comes to us twist a year. Every Muslim in Bangladesh has a strong desire to share this happiness with their dearest persons. That's why almost all Muslims, regardless of rich or poor, are found crazy to get their homes during this vacation. It causes a mad rush for boarding buses, trains or lunches. This is suitable word information of the text in your English for today. Homework. Write a short note about rootless people. Write a short note about rootless people. Write your khata and information again another day. Thank you to all, everybody.